Hey guys, this is Harshita and welcome back to my channel. So today we'll see how to make this yummy stuffed cheesy mushrooms. So these are the ingredients required for this recipe. Now without further ado, let's get started. So here I have 200 grams of button mushrooms. Do not let it out for a long time because it will get oxidized like the way mine have. Now gently remove the stems and make sure you don't discard the stems. Just finely chop it and keep it aside. Now we're gonna clear up the cavity so that we make a space for the stuffing. So do it as shown in the video. Using the back of a spoon, just remove all the extra. So repeat the same with the rest of the mushrooms. So this is how they look. Now heat a pan and add about 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. To this add half a spoon of cumin or jeera, 1 to 2 finely chopped green chillies, 1 cup of onion, that is 1 large sized onion finely chopped, 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste, and just saute it for a minute or 2. Now to this add half a cup of capsicum, that is 1 medium sized capsicum finely chopped, and saute it. To this add half a cup of tomato, that is 1 medium sized tomato finely chopped, and saute it. Now to this add 1 cup of mushroom stems and give it a good mix. Now add 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 spoon of garam masala, 1/4 spoon of pepper powder, half a spoon of red chilli powder, or you can add as per your requirement. Add half a spoon of coriander or dhanya powder, half a spoon of salt, or you can add as per your requirement, and give it a good mix. Now to this add 1/4 cup of mozzarella or processed cheese and just give it a good mix and let it cool down. Now here we have the mushrooms and here we have the stuffing. So we're gonna stuff the stuffing to the mushrooms. Do not add more. Just fill the cavity with the stuffing and just gently press so that you get an even top. Do the same with the rest. So these are the stuffed mushrooms, and now we're gonna top it with some mozzarella cheese. You can even use processed cheese. So just add little and just top them with some cheese, but using mozzarella cheese would be better. So now heat a pan and add about 2 to 4 tablespoons of oil and just spread the oil evenly on the pan. Now place the mushrooms gently. Make sure you don't spill the mozzarella cheese or else it will burn. Now close the lid and cook it on low flame for about 5 minutes until the cheese melts. So this is how it will look. Now switch off the stove and take it out carefully. Look at how yummy it looks. Look at that cheese string. So that's it guys. I hope you like this video. It's a super simple recipe. Just sprinkle some oregano on top and enjoy it. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to hit the bell button. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.